Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.6 question number 1. Find 64 to the power 1 by 2. Let us find. Here question number 1 is 64 to the power 1 by 2. Or you can write 64 can be written as 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64 to the power 1 by 2. Therefore, we are getting 8. That is the answer of question number 1. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 32. 32 to the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Or 32 can be written as 32 2. We divide it by 2. 2 16 is 32. Or 2 8 is 16. Or 2 4 is 8. And 2 2 is 4. Or you can write it here as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's is there. Therefore the answer is 2. 1 by 5. Right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 125. 25 to the power 1 by 3. Or it can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 to the power 1 by 3. Therefore the answer we are getting is 5. That is the answer. We can solve it in another way also. Let us find another way. Number 1 is 64 to the power 1 by 2. 64 to the power 1 by 2. Right? 64 can be written as 64 can be written as 2 64. Right? Now there are various methods to solve this problem, but we have defined this easiest method. Right? Again you see there 64 to the power half, 8 into 8 64, that is 1 by 2. We are getting 8. 32 to the power 1 by 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? That is we are getting 1 by 5, that is 2. And 125 1 by 3, that is 5 into 5 into 5. 1/3 part, that is 5 answer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.